Lesson 8. Fractions. Class 3 is going to have a crafts week. All students are busy making decorative objects by cutting and coloring paper and other objects. How do they cut, fold, and color these shapes? A whole and a fraction. A full object or shape makes one whole. A group of similar objects or shapes makes a whole collection. One whole collection. Equal parts of a whole make a fraction. Fraction. Fractions of a whole. 1/2, 1/2. When a whole is divided into two equal parts, each part is called 1/2. A whole, half, half. Two halves make a whole. 1/3, 1/3. When a whole is divided into three equal parts, each part is called 1/3. A whole, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. 3/3 make a whole. 1/4, 1/4. When a whole is divided into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4. A whole, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. 4/4 make a whole. Building other fractions. Rita made these cutouts from the craft room. She colored two parts in red and one part in yellow. What fraction of the cutout is red? Two parts out of three equal parts are red. It means 2/3 or 2/3 of the shape is red. What fraction of the cutout is not red? One part out of three equal parts is not red. It means 1/3 or 1/3 of the shape is not red. Parth made some more shapes and colored some equal parts. Parts of a fraction. A fraction has three parts. The number written on the top is called the numerator. The number written at the bottom is called the denominator. They are separated by a line which is read as by or out of. Number of selected parts out of total number of equal parts. 1/4. 1 numerator, 4 denominator. This fraction is read as 1/4 or one part out of four parts. Example 1. Write the fraction for the given shape. What is the numerator and denominator? How will you read this fraction? Number of shaded parts is equal to 3. Total number of parts is equal to 6. Answer. Fraction is 3/6. Numerator is 3. Denominator is 6. Fraction is read as 3 parts out of 6. Example 2. Write the fraction and numerator denominator for the given shapes. Fraction 2/6. Numerator 2. Denominator 6. Fraction 4/8. Numerator 4. Denominator 8. Fraction 3/7. Numerator 3. Denominator 7. Example 3. There are 6 boys in a group of 10 boys and girls. What is the fraction of boys? What is the fraction of girls? Number of boys is equal to 6. Total number of children is equal to 10. Fraction of boys is equal to 6/10. Number of girls 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Fraction of girls 4/10. Comparison of fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 3/4, 1/4 and 2/4. While comparing such fractions, we compare the numerators. 1 less than 2, 2 less than 3. The fraction with greater numerator is greater. 1/4 is less than 2 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 5, 4 by 6, 3 by 7. Example, compare 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. 2 by 7 and 5 by 7 are like fractions in which 2 is less than 5. Answer: so, 2 by 7 is less than 5 by 7. Example 5. Arrange 6 by 8, 4 by 8 and 7 by 8 in descending order. 6 by 8, 4 by 8 and 7 by 8 are like fractions in which 7 is greater than 6, 6 is greater than 4. Answer: so descending order is 7 by 8 greater than 6 by 8 greater than 4 by 8. Example 6. Preeti cut off 4 strips and divided each strip in 5 equal parts. She colored them as shown. Write the fractions and compare them. These strips show the fractions 1, 2 by 5, 2, 4 by 5, 3, 3 by 5, 4, 1 by 5. These are like fractions in which 1 is less than 2, is less than 3, is less than 4. So the ascending order is 1 by 5 is less than 2 by 5, is less than 3 by 5, is less than 4 by 5. And the descending order is 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5, is greater than 2 by 5, is greater than 1 by 5. Finding fraction of a collection. Example 7. Bhavna has made 12 cutouts of leaves. She has colored half of them. How many has she colored? She divides 12 leaves into 2 equal parts or divides 12 by 2. Half of 12 is 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Answer: she colored 6 leaves. Example 8. Kriti painted 1/3 of the leaves she made. She divides 12 leaves into 3 equal parts or divides 12 by 3. 1 by 3 of 12 is equal to 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Answer: she colored 4 leaves. Example 9. Naina painted 1/4 of the leaves she made. She divides 12 leaves into 4 equal parts or divides 12 by 4. 1 by 4 of 12 is equal to 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Answer: she colored 3 leaves. Applying fractions. Example 10. Sarthak had 15 chart papers. He painted 3 of them in yellow color. What fraction of the chart papers are yellow now? Total number of chart papers is equal to 15. Number of papers he painted yellow is equal to 3. Fraction of yellow chart papers is equal to 3 by 15. Answer: 3 by 15. Example 11. Shefali collected 18 ribbons for decorations. She made roses with half of them. How many ribbons are left? Total number of ribbons is equal to 18. Half of them is equal to 1 by 2 of 18 is equal to 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 9 out of 18 were used to make roses. Ribbons left. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Answer: 9 ribbons are left.